Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Intan Nur Aini, Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business. This video was made to complete the UAS assignment for the English course with the lecture Miss Yuti Yuniarti. General Journal. The General Journal is the company's journal in which initial record keeping of all the transactions is done which are not recorded in any of the specialty journal maintained by the company like purchase journal, sales journal, cash journal, etc. Whenever an event or transaction occurs, it is recorded in a journal. Journal can be of two types, a specialty journal and a general journal. A specialty journal records special event or transaction related to the particular journal. There are mainly four kinds of specialty journal: sales journal, cash receipt journal, purchase journal, and cash disbursement journal. The company can have more specialty journal depending on its need and type of transaction, but the above four journals contain the bulk of accounting activities. All other transactions not entered in a specialty journal account for in a general journal. It can have the following types of transaction: account receivables, account payable, equipment, accumulated depreciation expense, interest income, and expense. General journal format. It provides the chronological order of all non-specialized activities. It consists of 4 or 5 columns. Date of transaction, short description or memo, debit amount, credit amount, a reference number or referencing to journal ledger as an easy indicator. Flow process. Let us look at the flow process of entries before and after it is recorded in the general journal. Before entry is made, the maker has to decide the account which will be affected by the transaction, which account to debit and which account to credit. Examples: on June 8, Mr. Fauzan invested 600 million in initial capital. Cash is an asset, therefore cash is increased in debit and capital also increased in credit. Then on June 9, paying the rent of the building for 60 million, the prepaid rent increased on the debit and the cash decreased on the credit. Then on June 11, purchase supplies 6 million and equipment 30 million. Supplies and equipment are included in assets, therefore are added to the debit, and cash decreased on the credit. Then on June 12, completed work of 35 million, received 15 million in cash and the remaining 20 million on credit. Cash and account receivable increased on debit and fees earned increased on credit. After making entries in the general journal in accounting, all the transactions are summarized and posted in the ledger. In the above table of general journal examples, we can see each transaction as 2 lines on debit and 1 credit account. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.